Yun.
Yun, talon tayo sa gitna dito yung mga bossing natin coming in from BBG.
Meron ba akong naka-follow
side
dito?
ng ating arena while, where's Garbage? Ayun, nasa bandang baba yata sila. They are wrapping around the arena dito and I'm not quite sure if they are aware. Never mind, mukhang makikita na nila yung BBG dito. The trappers will be there from the side ng Garbage. Trying to lay down those traps and they're trying to get closer into the members ng BBG right now. BBG's members, Aaron Showers flying in from both sides dito kasi mga bossing natin coming in from Garbage. Getting closer. That Crusader way too overextended onto or into the members ng BBG right now, but no further jumping coming in from the side of BBG. Nobody is countering that Crusader. That Asura will be there from the side, but a counter punch coming in from the side of Garbage, connecting it to one of the monks. Now BBG will be taking down the city. Mga bossing natin from BBG might be losing their DLP in the process as well. The backup DLP will be there. No, never mind. Mga bossing natin from Garbage. Getting closer into the members of BBG dito. Those Crusaders are way too beefy for them to be able to take it down.
Ano
These
to?
tanks, bossing Java, nandun sa harapan, nakababad sa mga damage coming in from BBG right now. BBG or Garbage. Getting closer into the members of BBG right now. They will try to get inside of the sack ng BBG. BBG losing their DLP in the process right now. The push coming in from the Garbage. Getting closer into the members of BBG right now. The Stormcast will be there on top of the members of BBG right now. BBG's members by being controlled by the rest of the members of Garbage right now. The BBG push will be, the Garbage push will be there on top of the members of BBG. Offensive Black Protector will be there from the side of Garbage on top of the members of BBG right now. The Stormcast will be there. The Precast will be there hitting inside of the sack. The BBG right now. BBG's members is scrambling around, scrambling away from these members of Garbage right now. Garbage members pushing them out. BBG is way too scattered. The members are falling apart one after another. Dito Garbage members just cleaning the remnants of BBG, and BBG is way too scattered. The BDFM will be there, is slowing down the rest of the members of the BBG right now. Garbage taking them down one by one. Dito, some of the members are still trying to get back into this fight, or still trying to fight this way around, but not for long. And Garbage will just clean them out. This is a clean wipe versus BBG 1-0 in favor of Garbage. And BBG again, a quick match versus Garbage dito. Garbage just rushing inside.
In less than 2 minutes, tapos kagad. Yung laban actually, sakto pag-countdown natin ng 10 minutes. Tapos na kagad yung laban and 1 sorry, hindi 1-0, 1 sorry. Sabi ng Garbage kasi ito yung pinakamainit na laban na makikita natin for tonight. Ayan na. Marami ako naririnig sa likod. Isigaw mo! Ay.
So mag-save nga, wag na rin po ba na natin kalimutan mag-save doon sa Kafra sa labas? Kasi may mga may mga tumatayo.
Down. 3, 2, 1. Timer's on.
We are off to our match number 2 between Garbage as well as BBG.
Uy,
Bukod sa baba magkakasalpukan na magkabilang panig dito. Again, mga bossing natin coming from Garbage. Masyado silang mabilis. And some of the members ng BBG will try to organize their stack dito. Our Showers flying off from Garbage right now. Garbage being the aggressor right now. Getting closer into the members ng BBG. BBG trying to hold their ground for now. Yung mga Crusader na naman ng Garbage. Medyo lumalapit din sa mga bossing natin coming in from BBG's members. May mga pailan ng miyembro sila nag-overextend dito. Yung Barangay from the side of BBG is way too overextended. We'll try to back away for now. That Crusader from the side ng Garbage will be receiving one Asura, but a counter Asura will be there coming in from the side ng Garbage dito. But I'm not quite sure if they did take down that monk who overextended from the side of BBG. BBG will try to back away, keeping a safe distance dito. The Crusader from the side ng Garbage again. Dumatag na naman sa gitna na stack ng BBG right now. The Asuras will be there from the side ng BBG, connecting into that Crusader for now. But they are not managing to take down that Crusader. He's way too beefy for them to be able to take them down. They need at least consecutive Asuras for that one. Mga bossing natin from Garbage will dive inside of the stack ng BBG right now. BBG holding their ground for now. Yung mga bossing natin coming from Garbage. Nakababad na rin yung dalawang Crusader doon sa gitna ng stack ng BBG. And the Precast will be there from the side ng Garbage, connecting into the inside of the stack ng BBG right now. The Asuras will be there from the side of Garbage, inside of the stack ng BBG. BBG's members are losing one after another. The offensive Black Protector will be there from the side of Garbage right now. On top of the members of BBG. They cannot redeploy that DLP right now. The Precast will be there, connecting inside of the stack ng BBG right now. They're being controlled. BBG's members falling one after another. They're being bombarded with the Precast. The PDFM will be there, slowing down the rest of the members of BBG right now. BBG's members cannot do anything much longer. Garbage will be taking them down. BBG falls. Garbage will be proceeding into the finals. Kuwiki ang nangyari.
A totally wipe out Garbage.
Mainit ang
Bigyan ng
naglaban.
walis yan, sabi ng Garbage. Isipin mo, Garbage pangalan mo, pero winalis nila yung kalaban nila eh.
Di nila pinapalag yung mga bossing natin coming in from BBG. Well, GG, well played for Garbage. And again, they will be proceeding into the finals while BBG will be waiting into the semifinals of the lower bracket. So mag-iintay na lang, mag-iintay sila kung sino ang aangat doon sa mga natalo kanina. And let's see kung sino ang haharapin ng mga bossing natin coming in from Garbage into the final round.
Grabe. Isang mabilis na real quick lang yung ginawa